So in this video, we are going to learn how to create subscriber in Pabbly email marketing on Jotform submission. Let's say you have created an e-commerce website and you have added the form which you have created using Jotform in it as well. Now you want that whenever you receive a new form submission in that Jotform, you want to add that same person with the same details as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. And using this automation, as we are going to receive a new form submission with the same details, the subscriber will be added into your email marketing list in Pabbly email marketing so that you can keep on sending them your newsletters or promotional emails as well. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is the form which I have created using Jotform. This is the form which I have created for my weekly newsletter sign up. So the user can enter their details and submit the form. And now I want that whenever the person who is entering the details using the same details and the same email, I want to add that person as a subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing platform, which I'm using to send the email newsletters to my users. Now to do this, we have to connect Jotform with Pabbly email marketing. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. Now here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can basically set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After coming to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name my workflow as Jotform to Pabbly email marketing. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. Now as we click on Create, here you can see the workflow is open in front of us. And in this workflow, you can see we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger window. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Jotform with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission in the Jotform, automatically the same form responses are received inside Pabbly Connect as well, and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same form responses like the first name, last name and email to Pabbly email marketing. And in this way, we are going to set up the automation between Jotform and Pabbly email marketing so that as we receive a form submission with the same details, that person will be added as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So let's get started. Here in our trigger window in Choose App, search for Jotform. Just select it. After selecting Jotform in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Response. As we select the trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our Jotform with Pabbly Connect. And to add this webhook URL in our Jotform account, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy this webhook URL from here and go to your Jotform account. So in Jotform, this is the form which I have created over here. This is a simple form. After creating the form, go to the settings section, and after settings, from the left sidebar, go to integrations. After coming to the integrations page, we have to search for webhook over here. Just select webhooks. And here under add webhook, we have to paste the exact same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Just copy it from here and then paste it over here. And after pasting this webhook URL, click on complete integration. Now, as we click on complete integration, here you can see that the webhook URL is successfully added. This means whenever we are going to receive a new form submission in this Jotform, automatically the same form responses will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And here in our Pabbly Connect workflow as well, you can see it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response of a form submission from Jotform. So let's do it. What we are going to do, I'll just open this form in a new tab, and after opening this form, we are going to make a test form submission. Let's say the name of the person is test user and this is the email address who is submitting the form. After entering these details, let's click on submit, and as we click on submit, here you can see the form submission is done. Now as we receive this form submission, in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds you can see we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same form submission. We have the same first name, same last name, and the same email address as well. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our Jotform with Pabbly Connect and captured the form responses. After this, let's move to our next step, where we are going to send the same details to Pabbly email marketing so that we can add this person as a subscriber over there. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, search for Pabbly email marketing. Just select it. After selecting Pabbly email marketing, an action event from the drop-down, here you can see a list of different action events. Out of this, we can select this action event of add subscriber. Or if you have created some custom fields for the subscriber in your Pabbly email marketing account, in that case, you can use this action event of add subscriber with custom field. But right now, I'm just going to use this simple add subscriber action event. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Pabbly email marketing account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token of our Pabbly email marketing account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API token. So to get it, just go to your Pabbly email marketing account and from the left sidebar, go to integrations. After coming to the integrations page, go to developer API and then here you can see the API token of your Pabbly email marketing account. Just copy this token from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And then just click on save. And as we click on save, here you can see our Pabbly email marketing account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the list name. So it is most likely possible that in your Pabbly email marketing account, you might have created multiple email lists. Like in my account right now, I have two different lists. First one is the default list over here and the second one is named as weekly newsletter subscriber. So if you have created multiple lists, you will see all those options, all those lists in this drop down of list name. And in which particular email list we want to add these subscribers, we have to select that. So I want to add all of these subscribers in this list of weekly newsletter. So what we are going to do, I'm going to select the same option, the same email list in which we want to add the subscriber. Then it is asking us for the email and name. So we have received the email and the name of the person to whom we want to add the subscriber from Jotform in trigger step. Now what we have to do, from these trigger step responses, we are going to map this response of name and email to this Pabbly email marketing action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of email and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Jotform in the trigger step of a new form submission. Out of all of these responses, select the response of email and it will be mapped over here. After that, just click on this field of name and from the drop down, select the response of first name, then let's add a space and map the response of last name as well. In this way, what we have done, we have basically mapped or added the responses or the form submission data which we have received from Jotform to this Pabbly email marketing action step. And after mapping all the details, just click on save and send test request. Now as we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received the response and the response is success. This means with these details, the same person who made the form submission in Jotform is now added as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So let's check it. We will just go to a Pabbly email marketing account and refresh this page once. Let's go to this email list. And yes, here you can see test@pabblytudes.com, the same email address, the same person test user whose details we have added in Jotform while making the submission. The same person is now added as a subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing account. This means the automation workflow between Jotform and Pabbly email marketing is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, let's check this automation workflow once. We'll go back to the same Jotform and this time we are going to make another form submission. This time the name of the person is dummy user and this is the email address over here. Let's click on submit and the form submission is done. After making the form submission, instantly we'll go back to Pabbly email marketing and refresh the page once. And as we refresh the page, we will see the same person will be added as a subscriber. And here it is. You can see dummy user, basically the same user whose details we have just now added while making the form submission is now added over here. This means the automation workflow is working perfectly fine and we have tested this automation in real time. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.